massive van crew, England, Jamaica, China, all over the world, Japan. Me look on the man tell say all the foreigner man are down here who fi coming up on a ninja flowers, you know. Kick it without a delay. How you go?
Yes, my dear subscribers and viewers of Jam Houston Adventures, it's me again, George. Yes, and people, at this time I am at a spot where, you know what, I wonder if them out. Hey, my friend, when I go pay me for the advertisement, I go advertise the business, you know. I take Moris to the world right now. You understand? People, I'm at Moris right now, and it's Moris what? Hey, you gotta come over here so make people them see you know. Because you know he's a movie star. He's a big star right now. I want people, I want him tell the people them exactly where I am at. Where Jam Houston end up right now. Where we at?
Moris Fish and Jerk in Clarendon Park.
Alright people, here. Yeah, that was one of the workers inside Moris Fish and Jerk at Clarendon Park. Yes people, so yes, I am here with my dearly good, I would say my brother, not from the same mother, not from the same father, but Mr. Edo himself. Yes people, yeah man, one of my top subscribers, my top viewers, you know.
You can wait till Mr. Beautiful.
No, we have to show them everything. You know, say not that hide, you know. Yeah man, bless up. So people see the Edo there in the place, you understand? We meet up on people, we have a little
sit down.
Yeah man, a little gathering here, so we have Rasko in the place. Rasko, go on brother. Yeah man.
Pepper, good.
Hey.
Very good, bad.
Very good. Straight.
Check out when you come at Jamaica or anywhere in a part in a world or there.
Alright.
Check out it, good.
Alright peeps. Yeah man. I see Honk over there, so people. Honk.
No. Maybe check out jerks that
You couldn't left out the pork?
Yeah, man, it's on jerk such as they mash up some curry goat, white rice.
Yeah.
And drink a magnum and a special.
Okay.
So yo, need to try out more jerk cut, bro.
Alright. So peeps, here what happen now. I walk over the cashier, you know? Yeah man, I remember over the people. Yeah man, peeps. So I walk over the cashier counter and we have some very nice, lovely ladies over here. And I would like, so what's your name, man? Nisheen? Come on, man. You have the appearance, you have everything. Look at the smile. Yeah, man. To the world, tell the people them where you know advertise your business, cause the world are gonna see this. And I know so when somebody are gonna see it and them are gonna come here so and them are gonna say a Jam Houston Adventures channel them see it, man. So tell the people them look, talk up and let them know where you know where them what me there.
So Jam Houston is at Moris Fish and Jerk.
Alright, you hear people? In very short words, yes. And we have another lady over there, she hide her face, she look like she afraid of the camera. You afraid of the camera? Ain't but me I put you out there to the world, you know.
Why?
Yeah man, because more you big up your place where you work. If you love where you work, big it up.
Always.
Alright, cool. Yeah man, so people see there, Yeah, man, we're there, so we are dine at the bar, we are drink at the bar, we are everything I go on at the bar, yeah, so and say troublemaker over there, so. Honk.
Same place we're chilling on the farm.
Where what?
Chilling on the farm.
Oh yes, guys, he's saying over there, you might not hearing him from a distance. He's saying this is where chilling on the farm is held, right? So, yeah man, whenever you want to chill out in Clarendon and you want to have a good meal or you want to have a nice little scenery where you can just sit in and with family, friends, anything, just come on over to Moris' place. Alright, am I right? Okay. Alright, so peeps, I get back over here so to my subscriber, I'm a viewer, I'm a friend, I'm a brother. Yeah man, Jam Houston as well. So people, look at this. Oops. Yeah, unveil my food, people. See there? That is what I'm having here right now. We didn't do this cook up. You know we cook up all the time, people, but this one was prepared by Moris. Yeah man, Moris place, people. So we have roti, we have rice and peas, we have vegetables over there, and we have curry goat, right? Yeah man, so guys, this is what it is. And I am having a Magnum. I'm drinking a Magnum, yes peeps. So it's a meet and greet thing with Mr. Edo himself. See him there. Bless up, my brother. You know, it's a pleasure that we can meet again, my brother. You know, we don't know how often we can do this, you know, but whenever we can do it, we have to, you know, give God thanks to the moments, you know.
I mean, some of the man they're missing.
Some of the man they're missing, but you don't know how things stay.
Boom, Coco, Junior, Sharpman, and Dean.
Yes, Pat.
Vibes and the fire lady herself.
Oh, you mean? Yeah, peeps. So, you see pretty lady there now, she has served, you know, guys.
Big up Sharon.
We feel proud of it, you know.
Big up Sharon, you know.
Yeah.
Sharon's supposed to dare with you know.
Everybody about know Sharon says she now come out. She now drop
put
her
it on record, say me have you up, because you're there. So try and make it time for forward on at the end day.
Alright,
so. You can't sit down up there and watch him and enjoy himself for the whole way, you know, there too.
Yeah, man. Me know she jealous about overeating, but babes, anyway, you what, Sharon, this time me I go defend you. You understand? Thing is that me know and you know the reason why you're not there. You know say your heart there so with you right now, Sharon. Miss Butter. But you understand? Me make them know the levels, you know. And the time I go come. And when the time come, it's gonna be the right time. So share. Yes, me dear Miss Butter. Yeah man. But I enjoy ourselves and hang out there so now with Edo, you know. And Rasko and Troublemaker down there, so Honk. Yeah man, and as Edo say, you know, we are big up some nice friends in there, you know, amongst us, you know. Junior lifestyle of fishing, big up yourself, my brother. I know say out on the seaside, you know, I try to lick down 2 more top and I just talked to you a while ago. Meet up with you later on. You don't know things stay. Yeah man, and vibes, big up yourself. Boom, family, big up yourself. Tata and family, big up yourself, yeah man. And everybody whose name you no call, people no big up on yourself. Donald, big up yourself, my brother. We talk to you soon. See it?
Sure you know say you get this mango there.
Yeah man, you might get in thing, man. Oh yes, yeah, you might get in most of them. And thank you so much, Donald, for the East Indian mango them. You see me as sir. Yeah man, we really appreciate that, my brother. You know, that is what friends are for, you know. When you have somebody I think about you even when you don't think, when you think not, so that person thinking about you. You understand? That is a real friend. You understand? Yeah man. So with there people, I'm gonna start my meal, let's see there. But I'm gonna mash it down right now, yeah? I'm gonna consume some food there right now. Prepared by Moris' place. Yeah man, Moris Grill and Bar. Yeah. Clarendon. See it? Alright guys. Stay tuned, yeah? Anybody like my dish? Clean it up, shell it down. Eh?
That's the grill.
Me know say you don't do so.
Real feeling feeling.
Me know you don't do so.
Yeah, Jamaica. If you look for like they're white.
You see it? Me talk to me people, them and look how you over there so now. If I bet you if I did pork over here, you know, you know pork over here.
No, but I pork, I clean up for you.
I tell you people, I'm Mr. Honk. Anyway guys, see that? Yeah man, enjoy myself to the max right now. Belly full. I'm gonna ask the lady if you come take up that plate here. Find front of me because right now at them we are deal with. No, so my boss over there so. See me and so. And see troublemaker down there so. Troublemaker.
Yeah, drink some Magnum and Red Bull, you said? Yeah, freestyle. That is it.
Yes, no man. Yeah, I'm on vacation.
First best that free.
Yeah, you free. You have to pay a bill for that one then.
Oh man, I can try one more.
What type of mixed drinks you are giving out? If you go walk up and down the road and
I'm
chat.
going to turn my wall.
Yeah?
Yeah. My wall.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so, what type of mixed drinks you are introduced to me?
Some spurling in a business.
Any mixed drinks you may have picked so you have to chunk up the back? Where you chunk back on them? Eh? So then what you have to do with my back? You weak my back? Eh? So if you can't chunk my back, you must have to go weak my back. Which one are you? Yeah, you are.
You agree with me?
Yeah, are you selling? Are you to show me which one I better one? You know, man drink. But I out there yesterday. Jesus, my bees what making camera see you. People, the man say I'm gonna fix up and drinks me. Deep blue sea. Deep blue sea. And I out there since me there, a 4 times I go offshore fishing people. And the man no they can't get me away from the water and I wonder why. Me there so now I forget about fishing right now, about the deep blue sea. And I'm gonna introduce deep blue sea to me in the bar. I can't believe this.
It's deep blue sea.
Deep blue sea. Well, I tell you, anyway, we're going to see what type, you know, because me rather have it more than have anything else because me is a man who live on the ocean. See? So people make us see what's coming up next. But we're here and that's Rasko behind the camera. Rasko?
Deep blue sea.
Deep blue sea. And that them say, them are giving up. Alright, people. Stay tuned, guys. We're there, see we are Moris place, you know. I enjoy myself, yeah man. Yeah man, this is the man who caused me to end up here today because we have to meet up before I leave back for the States. Yeah man.
I'm in your forward and we don't link up.
We have to link. We should have link already from the family, but you don't know anything about Deep Blue Sea cause it. I know a different farm of Deep Blue Sea, you know, I take place as well. People, stay tuned, alright?
Yeah, apart from the pineapple, a cartoon that. And we don't watch the cartoon then.
What?
We don't watch
Everybody the piece to right, they can't hardly see it.
Pineapple.
Put out the glass to see
it.
Anyway.
This is SpongeBob.
I see you, man.
Yeah, babes. Let me take off this half right. So see that?
Make it taste and tell you if it is.
Yeah, people, see that? The bar hard, so I fix me up one deep blue sea, people. It kind of look like sea water, yes. Yeah, but it look like the water we catch yesterday. Yeah, it look like the water we catch barracuda in yesterday, for real. So, all me try to escape the deep blue sea, people. I still not escape it. There's the one named deep blue sea, so I will taste it. A boy, I don't know how I get up off of that chair.
It's a deep sea.
No, you know how I get up off of it. Well, when I get up off of it, you want me to drop my gun right
No man, you believe in it, man.
A creeper.
Boy, Jam Houston never drop and fall.
On the certificate.
They say Jam Houston never fall. So you know what you talk about get up and fall. I know you that then. I jab that. I know you say I jab that. That's my youth. That's a you thing. You know about that.
People,
you know about that.
me have my friends and family around me. Me have my friends and family around me, people. Rain a fall on the roof here and it a make no flight, so we have to talk a bit louder. Because the rain come down now, people, are blessing. But guess what now? Me have the whole of my friends them around me. And anyhow me get up, me drink this and me drop off a bar stool, then we catch me.
worry about drop, man.
Then we catch me.
The amount of time that you catch
I can go here and put me down and say, go and go get sorry.
You're good,
Yeah,
man.
man. But people, me have to try to see if we can finish this. Me don't know if we can finish
Yeah, you get fever.
But I'll try.
One life here.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah, man. Anyway, people, we are now leaving Moris Fish and Jerk Hut, right? Yeah, Moris Fish and Jerk Hut, people. And we are going to visit another good friend and subscriber, and viewers and subscriber. So, Mr. Edo, yeah, so see him here, the boss.
Yeah, man, we're going to do the road again.
So, we are changing the location now, guys. So, stay tuned, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah. The activity not done yet. Yeah? See the boss, yeah, you know. Back of him glass, yeah, you know. See the boss, yeah, you know. Back of him glass, yeah, you know. People see the love and unity and joy. Yes, come on. Yeah, man. See the boss and mask back of him glass.